We're headed up the Paradise Lift, right?
Yep.
I wanted to record this. This is a long ride, but these rocks up and through here are so neat. So just get an idea of the ride up. So Joe, are you enjoying yourself?
Yeah. It's pretty fun.
Which one do you like best so far?
This run.
This one?
Yeah. Well, you don't want to go down it, so yeah.
Joe likes this one because there's lots of jumps and stuff along the sides that he can get into. And
that one that we just came down was pretty fun. Burntwood was fun.
mm-hmm.
I liked Burntwood. I sprayed
Man,
myself a few times.
I was flying down through there.
If you just do this really fast and keep going, you'll spray yourself. That's cool. Long chairlift.
Mm-hmm.
Cloudy last time we came up here.
Yeah, last time it was like pea soup coming up through here. Not here so much. This was still a little bit clear, but further up. This is a long lift.
I think the clouds went higher.
Yep. These rock formations right in here. This just looked really neat to me. Especially this one to the left here. Looks like it just kind of slid down.
Get some attention going down this road.
Yeah. I'm not doing this. There's no way. But look at that over there. That's just so neat. There's been some skiers down in through here.
Hey, skiers are snowboarders, okay?
Yeah.
Don't be snowboarders.
You can tell that's snowboard.
Hungry.
You getting hungry?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, me too.
I had a Pop-Tart
for breakfast.
breakfast.
I had an apple. I was healthier than you.
So, yeah.
So I wonder what the temperature is. I mean, this actually feels warm to me.
How's mine?
Yours is not recording.
I know my face. How's it facing?
Oh, fine. Good. Mini avalanche. Some snowballs running down the hill. Cute.
They don't do as much avalanche things as Snow Basin.
Yeah, they were really doing it over Snow Basin yesterday.
They did it a lot.
There's not too much. You're not seeing too much here that's looks like a real serious
Maybe
avalanche.
in Mount Ogden. I mean, no. Maybe in Mary's Bowl.
Yeah, it could be. Yeah, we're going to have to work our way over there after lunch.
Okay.
Oh, here comes the sun.
almost touch this pole right here.
Yeah, this is really, you can tell how much snow they have here. Look how close the chair lifts are to the snow.
Let's see.
You can see.
There we go. It was about cloudy when we were getting up to here.
Yeah.
All black diamonds. Oh, so much fun. That one time when he left me, I hit a pine tree. It was like all in the ground. I didn't
yeah?
think it was gonna like affect me, but then I hit like the wood. It was like,
Just going down this last run?
no,
Oh, but the last time you ran, you had to duck
Dr.
below that one
C.
tree. That one
Dr.
tree.
C.
Oh yeah.
Oh my gosh, I hate these.
Are these guys coming down here?
What?
These folks coming down here?
Oh. It's a little steep.
Just a little.
Behind the chair.
It's that New Yorker accent. Lost his pole.
Uh-oh. We're stopping.
Mine just turn off.
Okay.
On the track, we should probably just hit this right side. We're gonna go right? Yeah, let's go hard right here. Oh yeah.
Pretty loud. You can hear them easily.
There we go. Wonder what we're doing. Say hi, Joe.
Hi.
The little ants coming down over there.
So much higher than here. I mean, I wonder how many trees they cut down to make this resort.
Probably not a whole lot, just along the lift lines. I'm sure some for the trails. Yeah, for the trails they definitely did. Still an awful lot left. It's neat how the snow gathers in them. You can see the lodge, main lodge over there.